Hi everyone, this time I tried to make my fan fiction like a podcast. You have both options as you want to listen it like a podcast or you want to read it. Subscribe my main channel and thank you all of them who have already subscribed. Link is in description box or in comment. Mom, please try to understand. He is a complete stranger for me. And how can I marry a stranger, Mom? You need to understand this. Vine was trying to convince her mom not to marry her to a stranger whom she doesn't even know. I'm sorry, Vine. Your father really wants your help. He is in loss and he really need help of Jungkook's father. Mr. John asked your dad to marry you with his son, and your dad couldn't deny him. Please try to understand, Vine. But mom, okay, I will think about this and let you know. Her mom left the room and Vine was thinking about this marriage. After thinking a lot, she agreed for marriage. Vine's parents were happy with her decision, but Vine couldn't stop thinking about what kind of man her future husband is. Time skips and you both got married. You were not excited at all for your new beginning of your life. I think I should made it clear that I'm not interested in this marriage, so don't act and behave as my husband. Vine went towards Jungkook who was reading a book in living room. Hi, I have something to tell you. Same here, I also have something to tell you. Oh, then you go first. No, you should tell first. Is she have a boyfriend? That's what Jungkook thought. It's not important, you should tell. Actually, I have a girlfriend. What? Oh my god, that's a great news. Wow. That's what Vine thought. Then why didn't you tell this to your dad? And you are telling me now, after marriage? He would have never accepted her. He only does what he wants. Okay, cool. Huh? Are you not surprised? What can I do? I will give you divorce if you want. Are you serious? Am I looking in a situation to make a joke? Boy, I got cheated on first day of my marriage. Do you think it's funny? I'm sorry. No, I'm thank you. What? Actually, I was not interested in this marriage at all. It's good to see that you have a girlfriend because I will give you divorce now and I will live happily. No, you are not going to do this. What? Why? You have a girlfriend. You can live with her. I will go. Do you think it's that easy? My dad will never let this happen. At this moment, you realize what your mom said to you. Oh, okay. So, what do I have to do now? I mean, what are you expecting me to do now? Nothing. I don't have any problem if you will live here. I was just telling you the truth. As you were both talking, a doorbell rings. Let me see, I will go and check who is it. Jungkook opened the door and it was his girlfriend. She came and hugged him in front of you as she was showing off. You fold your arms and smirked. Oh my god, she think that I really care. You whispered, Hey, what's your name? Her name is Vine. Oh, okay. So does she know about me? Of course you are hugging him and I'm standing here. Of course I do know you. Okay, so now you do know me, then stay away from my boyfriend. Oops. You can have my husband. I don't have any issue. What? Look at her, Jungkook. She's trying to be so over smart. I mean, what is she trying to tell me, huh? You didn't say anything and just went back to your room. Jungkook, you are not going to say anything to her? I mean, what do I have to say? She didn't do anything. I mean, she called you husband. So what's wrong in this, Lucy? She is my wife. So do you really accept her as your wife? No, I told her that you are my girlfriend, but I mean, yeah, she is my wife. Jungkook, how long she is going to stay here? I can't take this woman here anymore.
Me too.
You screamed from your bedroom. This made Jungkook laugh. Jungkook, you are laughing? I mean, are you serious? No, I mean, this was funny. No, this was not. Next day, you woke up and came down for breakfast. Good morning. He said in a sweet voice that you almost fell for him. How can he look so gorgeous in this morning? Oh, Ash, Ryan, what are you thinking? Just concentrate on your breakfast. Time skips and it's been 2 weeks now you were living together. You both were eating your breakfast, suddenly you choked your food. Jungkook helped you. After some times, today my friend is coming home, are you okay with it? Yeah, I don't have any problem. What you like to eat, I will give order for you. We are friends, right? Yes, we are living together, we must live as friends. Then can I drink with you tonight? I didn't know that you like drinking. Yeah, I like drinking, but I was kind of embarrassed. No, there's no need to get embarrassed, Ryan. We will drink together tonight. In evening, Jungkook opened the door for his friend, but you got surprised and ran towards him. Jimin? Oh my god, what a pleasant surprise. What are you doing here? Wait a minute. Is she your wife? You nodded your head. Looks like you both know each other. She is my high school crush. You were standing there smiling. Okay, sit down and have a chat. I will bring the things here. Okay. Are you not going to come and help? Do you need help? Yes, I need help. Let me help you, Jimin said. Jungkook looked at you and you were looking at Jimin with a big smile on your face. After some time, you all sat down and chatting together. You all are having fun together and you were so frank with Jimin. And Jimin was also happy to see you here. Jungkook was looking at you how you are being so talkative today. He likes the way you were opening up at that moment. I think Ryan is so happy to see her friend today. But aren't they being too clingy? Why the hell am I thinking this? Let me bring some more beer. Jungkook went in kitchen. You are so lucky to have Jungkook as your husband. No, we are going to divorce anyway. What do you mean by divorce? We both are forcefully married and Jungkook already has a girlfriend. I should give him divorce so that he can live peacefully with his girlfriend. Listen, Ryan, the way Jungkook was looking at you and being jealous, I think he likes you. Jealous? No, I think you misunderstood him. He likes his girlfriend and I saw that with my eyes. I don't know, but it's your life. Make sure to take right decisions so that no one can regret it later. You nodded and smiled. Jungkook was standing in the back, hearing everything, but he didn't do anything. What's up, guys? What are you talking about? Nothing, just updating our life. Oh, listen, Jungkook. Don't let her drink too much. She can't tolerate. No, I can't tolerate. After some times, you got drunk too much. Hey, can I say something? Yes, something. Jimin and Jungkook was laughing on your silly jokes and Jimin had to leave as it was getting late now. Jungkook locked the door. Hey you! Jungkook pointed index finger to himself, asking if you are calling him. Yes, my dear husband, you. Don't lock the door. But why? A woman and man can't live under the same roof with locked door. So open the door, otherwise your girlfriend will kill you. But I'm your husband and you're my wife. That means I should kill you, right? No, that means we can live together under the same roof and we should always lock the door. But logically, I'm just a third wheel in your love life and you hate me for that. No, I don't hate you. So, do you love me? Let's go and sleep. No, tell me if you hate me, then I will go away from you. No, how can someone hate a sweet girl like you, and I don't have any reason to hate you. Instead, I feel so sorry that I ruined your marriage life.
No, you didn't. You are such a Prince Charming, and it's okay that you are not mine. But I can say that you are my husband, and it's really cool, you know?
After having some conversation, Jungkook brought you to your bedroom as you were sleeping on couch in living room. After laying you down on your bed, he was about to leave but his phone rings and he stopped.
I know it's that crazy girl who stole my husband in my absence. You can pick up.
Hello, where are you?
In my room.
Jungkook told you to keep silence by putting his index finger on his lips. After talking to Lucy, he was going back in his room, but you stopped him. Jungkook, at first I was hating this marriage, but I don't know why I'm so happy and comfortable around you. I'm sorry, Ryan, but I think we should maintain distance between us. Jungkook looked back and saw that you were snoring and sleeping comfortably. He turned off the lights and left the room. Next day, Jungkook was in kitchen making warm honey water for your hangover. You came out while holding your head. I'm such a crazy person. Why did I drink that much if I cannot handle? Jungkook, did I say something last night? Huh? No. What could you have said to me? Something really crazy? Drink this honey water. You were drinking honey water and suddenly you remember everything while you were holding your head. You ran towards your room hiding your face. Jungkook starts laughing silently. So many days have been passed. Jungkook was so stressed because his friend sent a picture of Lucy with another guy. Jungkook, what is this behavior? Why are you not picking up my calls? Have you started feeling something for your so-called wife? Jungkook didn't say anything and he was just looking at Lucy. What? Why are you glaring at me like this? Jungkook rolled his eyes and took his phone. Can you explain me this picture? He is my friend. And what is this? Are you spying on me? What do you mean? My friend was in the same club where you both were hugging and dancing. You have a wife in your house and you both live in the same house and you are pointing on me? Why are you bringing her in this conversation? I'm asking about what are you doing? Jungkook, that's enough. You have to choose between me and her now. What do you mean? I'm asking about this guy who's holding your butt and dancing. I didn't even touch Ryan and she is the most purest person I have ever met. Oh, so now you are taking her side. I can't take this anymore. Meanwhile, you are here in the kitchen making pancakes. Oh my god, what was that? Did I blast the gas? Ryan saw Lucy going out from Jungkook's room, then Jungkook also came out with angry face. The weather is so hot today. Jungkook was sitting on couch alone and you came and sat in front of him. Are you okay? What happened? She cheated on me. Oh, so now you know. Huh? What do you mean? I heard her talking to someone on phone but that was really cheesy. So why didn't you tell me then? I thought you wouldn't believe me because I don't have any evidence and she was your girlfriend. Of course you wouldn't believe me at that time. Leave it. I will take revenge for you if you want. How? I will throw this pancake on her face. Jungkook laughed and asked, why? For my best friend. Best friend? Of course we are living together and we have mutual understanding. That's what a best friend do. Days have been passing and after 1 month, Jungkook finally officially proposed to Ryan and they both started living as true couple. Let me know if you like my voiceover fanfic so that I will make more like this in future. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe my dance channel.